Welcome to LBX Lighting's commercial division. LBX Lighting provides lighting solutions, chandeliers, bulbs, ballasts, design consultations, fixtures, as well as electrical installation for both residential and commercial applications, contractors, builders, and end users. We are currently working with architects, builders, chief engineers, contractors, developers, homeowners, interior designers, restaurant managers, maintenance personnel, purchasing managements, store owners and supervisors, as well as residential clients. We strive to deliver the highest quality of service, along with the highest quality products to our customers. Our expertise, customer support, and competitive pricing give us the needed edge to offer the absolute best experience for our customers. Further, we hand-deliver light bulbs in the Houston area and ship nationwide in order to save our valued customers time and money. In addition, in just a few easy steps, we can set up your company on net 30 terms. Keep in mind, we offer free delivery in Houston and the surrounding area, as well as free shipping via UPS for locations outside of Houston. Thank you for allowing LBX Lighting the opportunity to take care of all your lighting needs, whether it's chandeliers, bulbs, fixtures, ceiling fans, or ballasts. For installation info, bids, or quotes, please contact us at 713 LBX 0555